Hey guys, so we're going to be installing today and testing an anti-gravity battery on a Jaguar F-Type and other Jaguar models in the future. So it's a great upgrade because you could save a significant amount of weight. Just we need to make sure that electronics in the Jaguars, which can be finicky, will work fine with the anti-gravity system. So we'll be doing updates later on to see how the battery performs.
So replacing the battery is pretty straightforward. Just a couple of 10mm bolts and you're good to go. Just comes out. New one goes right in. The battery will come out. You just gotta wiggle it just a little bit, and yeah, there it is. Now the moment of truth. Let's weigh this sucker and compare it to the anti-gravity battery. Wow guys, I will tell you, it's a huge difference in weight. I was thinking this anti-gravity is not that light, but I can easily pick it up with one hand. This on the other hand, oh my gosh, probably close to 60 pounds. Let's put it on the weight. My kid loves to make noise when I'm doing something. Here's a moment of truth. Alright, let's see. Wow, this sucker is heavy. I need like 2 hands to even lift it. So the factory battery weighs a whopping 58.6 pounds. And let's put this one on. $19.2. Okay. So that is a savings of 39.4 pounds. Quite a bit. Now let's see how it actually works. Everything fits pretty good. The only thing I did is I put some cardboard right in here to make it a little bit tighter, so there's absolutely no wiggle. And yeah, it's pretty good and solid. And let's see how it starts. Easy breezy. What I'm doing here is just to make sure we don't run into any electrical issues. We have this iCar soft device, and you can do this with many other devices that can that have the capability to do reset or basically battery replacement service. So we're just going through this just to make sure. We'll reset and store internal battery monitoring data. I think that's a good idea anytime we're replacing a battery. Okay, that's it. Car is running. So far we got no lights. I'll give you guys updates in the future on if there's any issues.